Good afternoon, this is Jan. I'm here at Tonlé Sap Lake, which is near Siem Reap in Cambodia. It's actually between Siem Reap and Phnom Penh, the capital, and it's about 350 kilometers long, so that means it's the biggest lake in Southeastern Asia. And I'm going on a boat trip. Small stop on a kind of building inside the lake, because there's many villages inside the lake. This one is also like a restaurant for tourists and everything, and they got a lot of crocodiles. Here we got a nice view over the lake.
Ở đây khi nào cái chặt tu nó tích những con đọc rồi. Đâu nữa, giờ xin đi, kêu màu. Các bạn à?
This is fish Amok. There's a shrimp salad. That's anchor beer. Here I got fish Amok, the traditional and I think the most famous dish in Cambodia. This is with coconut milk, some vegetables, and of course fish. Now that is tasty. You got really that coconut flavor. Together with a mild fish. And shrimp salad. Right, I have to get out here. Tail. Almost forgot about this. Yeah. Always working. So here's the shrimp. That is fresh. Just a little cooked. A little bit. More. Nice looking vegetables. Yo. I love this Cambodian food. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. And remember, keep on enjoying your trips and lakes and your seafood, lake food.